Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff. You're not. It's Sunday morning and football Sunday, of course. Fantasy football Sunday. So we're trying to get together a nice meal. So today we're smoking some, what is it? Chuck. Not Uncle Chuck, Chuck roast. We've done brisket before in the past. We've done chickens. We've done turkeys. You name it, we've done it. We've deep fried some things in my career or our career. Almost burnt down half a campground doing a deep fry on a turkey once because alcohol was involved and I got a little sloppy. And
the turkey was still frozen a little bit, and you put them in the water, wasn't it?
Right, that's what I said. Alcohol has a lot to do with my stupidity. So, but either way, so we put it in the hot oil, and the oil then ruptured, bubbled over, hit the flame, and basically lit the whole stone area behind our trailer at Avalon Campground. So I dive into the shed and I look back and there's like a wall of fire. Everybody else scattered. Did they save me? No, hell no, nobody did. So I had a fire extinguisher there. I figured I was going to save the world, and I go like this, and nothing comes out because I never checked it. I brought it from home, and I think Jesse or JT had used it for a video, so my stupid fault because I didn't check it. But either way,
tell them what you did with the meat.
Okay.
You still have
Thank you to Walmart again. So we're going to be using a honey citrus marinade on the chuck roast. I know they're kind of sloppy and wet, but sloppy wet meat is good. There, look at that thing. Oh my God. Now this has been marinating for 48 hours. And God, you can smell the garlic.
That's huge.
Thank you. That's what she said. So, but again, I'm not gonna clean them off. Some people like to clean them off, let them slop a little bit. So, and sloppy meat is good sometimes. It's just when you get sloppy seconds.
You want us to take that pan over?
But when you get sloppy seconds, that's not good. So, Daddy always said keep your meat wet. Okay, like this one.
Your daddy said that?
No, but it sounded good for the video. No, I don't think my dad would say that. Do you?
No, I don't.
Cracks it up. Yeah, my dad's very, what would you say? Not strict, but he's very reserved. And I don't think he would say that. He may laugh or snicker at it, me saying it, but not for him saying it. So, I sort of got the sense of humor in the family. Oh, and also, let me talk about this too. Look. Does this pop today? I was told by my kids and my wife I had no style. Right?
I never said you had no style.
Who said I had no style?
I think Jesse said you had no style.
Right.
I just wanted you to wear a sweatshirt that was a little bit bright because
so it pops.
So I could see you better in the camera. My eyes are failing.
Yeah, so either way,
and plus you look better in brighter colors.
And I always wear extra large clothes because I don't like things snug on me. It's like, I think this sweatshirt's a large. Now, it feels pretty good, but I always like things better. It's like like these. These are kind of different to get, it clings to my ass, so I get self-conscious.
So we're having a fashion show while you're cooking?
No, but again, I had ugly stuff on before this, and I had like snot on my sleeve because I was out doing leaves this morning. So I wipe my nose like everybody probably does, but they don't admit it.
This is a cooking video.
It doesn't matter. I'm giving my life. So either way, folks, what we're going to do, we have the beef or the chuck roast marinated. 48 hours. Smell the garlic. Then on the smoker, if Terry can pan that way, we already got smoke. I got that set for 250. So I'm gonna probably cook this meat for about 2 hours.
Did you already put chips in it?
Already did. I'm coming to that next.
Okay.
So I'm probably gonna cook this 2 hours uncovered in the smoker, and then I'm gonna it depends on how the temperatures are, where it's ranging. If I get it between around 150, 160, then I'm gonna wrap it with foil and leave it in the smoker, of course, and lessen the wood. But right now I'm running a small amount of mesquite and a shit ton of apple. I like apple wood, and I don't like as much mesquite. That's why I don't have enough in it. But I have more wood here soaking in water. And then what I'll do is I'll drain this out as that wood goes, and then I'll put more wood in as we go. But I'm going to keep it around 250.
And how long do you think it'll be smoking for?
I'm guessing about 5 hours, but I'm going to keep checking it, and doing the meat probe, check temperatures. And if I see it's getting done quicker, then we'll eat it earlier.
Okay.
So, all right.
All right.
So follow me to my my antique smoker.
Can the dogs come out? Come on, baby.
Oh, they can come out.
So keep them away from that.
Yeah, well, no,
Hey, Johnny.
they'll know
What
not
are
to
you
go near.
doing? Johnny, don't pee on my gnome tree. Hey.
It's off-season gnomes. He can pee on. it.
Huh? No.
Look, he didn't.
Good
So,
boy.
okay, get focused back on me.
I'm sorry.
It's all about me. So, this is an old Cajun ejector. I think I got it like at Dick's Sporting Goods store or something like 15, 20 years ago. And I used to do it, like I said, I did like chickens and turkeys and all that crap and chicken breasts. But it's been sitting in the garage for a long time. Well, I decided, JT has all that beef in the freezer downstairs. So that's why we thawed some out. We're going to give it a shot. I don't know how the marinade's going to work out because I never really marinated in a smoker. Always, did a rub, with brown sugar and all the other stuff. But we're going to try this. What's the worst can happen? It sucks, but I don't think it will because all these flavors are very good. So I'm going to try not to burn myself. It is smoking a lot. And it's asphyxiating. Sometimes people tie these things up because look at them. Check her out.
I'll tell you what, that is huge. That is so huge.
I don't want to do that's what she said joke again because
I
then
know,
Joe
but
Bumpus won't,
That's like the biggest, thickest piece of meat. Well,
Really?
all right, I'll be quiet.
Well, I know you're not talking about me, so. But look at this one. Look at this one. Oh my God! Look.
And that's enough for an army.
Right. Some people cut the fat off these. I don't know why they do it because I think the fat on the sides adds the flavor.
Hi, John.
Okay, folks, so
You
what we're
wanna
going to
say
do,
hello?
I got my water bowl filled with water in there. And again, here's another little thing. Before I started the day, I had to clean the outside of it. Everybody knows, do you really clean your grill that much on the outside? No. But Terry said, oh, you got to clean. That's absurd. Why would you put that in a video that looks like shit? And I said, who cares? We're not cooking on the outside. We're cooking on the inside. And I cleaned all
I
that.
get that, but there was a layer of dust on it. It was disgusting.
Right, but it's on the outside. You don't cook on the outside. It's just like, do people really clean the grates of their grill very well? You want some of that
Well,
flavor
no,
to
I
stay
know.
on it.
Well, the outside of it, you hadn't used it for a long time.
Yeah.
I'm
And
gonna pop you.
but there was no mouse nests in this, which
Uh-huh.
is good. Now, and there was no cats in it either, because cats. So
Okay.
now what my goal is here, this will get back up to about 250. I had it adjusted earlier, so it was rated 250 with the water and with the wood chips in it. So I'll keep monitoring to make sure it stays around 250. I'll keep checking my wood chips, and I'll keep checking my water. Some people like the water. Some people have tried beer over the course of the years, but I don't think beer does anything other than it makes you feel good. And every time you put a beer in the water holder or the moisture holder, you drink one. So I can understand that, but I don't like to waste beer. And all that's going to do is help with the mix of the smoke, the meats, and keep the moisture level so the
Okay.
meat doesn't dry out.
So then we'll pick it up later on when you have to go check it. When you
Yes.
have to check it, and
Yeah.
then later after that, and
Well,
we might have a guest coming, right?
We might have a guest, yes. We
Okay.
don't know yet. It is the day before my birthday, people, so we were going to have like a little birthday gathering, plenty of meat, drinks, and be merry. But, so we don't know yet. But either way, we'll come back. We'll check it when I test the meat for the temperature, and I'm watching John too.
I know.
And then we'll check the temperature. We'll also then, when we get to the good point, we're going to wrap the meat and then put it back in here and let it cook for the remainder of the time. Okay?
Say hi, Luna Tuna.
There's tuna fish.
Hi, Tuna.
Tuna's the real angel of the family. So, John, he wanders all over the place.
Yeah.
But again, that's
well,
a different
I think
story.
he's looking for cat shit.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I
All
think
right.
we're good right now. And
Okay.
we'll be back. Hey, welcome back. It's time to wrap the meat with foil. We got everything here. We got the aluminum wrap. We got the tongs. We got the pan. We got the beer. And God knows I need one.
Does it normally have to be wrapped? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, after a certain amount, I tested the temperature. We're about 155 to 160, so I'm going to take them out. They're full off the bone.
Go ahead, Johnny Wani. Johnny Bobani. Oh, sorry. I got sidetracked.
Look, see him?
Wow. John, stay away from that.
Johnny. Oh my God, look at that. Coming off the bone.
Okay. And then what are you going to do?
I'm going to wrap them in foil and then let them finish up for the next probably hour and a half.
Oh, okay.
So, sorry about the pot holder. Got black shit all over it already. So you going to come back in or you going to what?
Oh. Johnny! Luna! Come on. See how well they listen? They're looking for cat shit. Luna! Johnny! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! They're coming. Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright. So I doubled up on the foil.
Because of the weight of them?
Yep. That seals it in. So we're going to wrap them up. There's one layer, two layer, fold up, and come across with both layers here. To the best of our ability, everything's sealed up so the fluid and juices stay in. We're going to do the same for the other one and let them cook within themselves. You see that?
No, I'll go out and get them.
Sorry, Johnny has a tendency to wander around, so we always got to keep an eye on him because he's always on the scent of a cat shit, cats in general.
I know, it gets around pretty good for being almost 12.
Right. That was a nice piece of beef there, too. One layer.
It smells delicious.
Mm-hmm. So you're going to attempt to try
I'm
one,
going to
right?
attempt to taste it, but I'm not going to eat a lot, like maybe a little piece.
Tuna, come on in, baby. Where's your dad?
Oh, puppies, that was good. That was a good Johnny. Yes.
Okay, so I got them back out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run them back, put them in probably for another hour, maybe hour and a half tops. And they're freaking hot. Put you there. You there. Old Faithful still holding around 250, no wood chips, John.
Johnny.
So, for another hour, an hour and a half, I'll do a temperature check again, but they should be done, I guess, around 4:30, maybe, guessing.
Okay.
And then they can sit for a little bit, almost like a steak, things like that, where you let them sit before you table them. That way the juices and everything commingles back the way they're supposed to be.
Okay.
So, see you in a bit. Hey, welcome back. We got plenty of good meat here. Just took it off the smoker. The bones are peeling out. I already threw one in the trash can.
Oh, don't you have to do another one?
Off the bone. Woohoo!
Trash bone.
It's a trash bone. Oh, we have guests here. Did you?
Hello.
No, I was going to say, are you going to say anything?
So, right now we got all the bones out of the chuck roast. It's all ready to go. Letting it sit for like 10 or 15 minutes. Terry's potatoes, sweet potatoes are in the oven, ready to be finished. Hopefully, how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. So
Yeah.
that'll give time. We'll slice
I
the
also
plate
put some
and we
fish
should be
in
good. So, looks good. Hopefully it's not too overdone. The one bone doesn't come out all the way.
So you're going to plate it, right?
I'm going to plate it, and then we'll show that later, and then be done. What? Oh, hey, welcome back. I'm cutting some of the fat off. JT's going to be our taste tester here. Sorry, I like to wave knives around, you know, in case I got to throw them, whatever the case.
Yeah, this is why I'm standing over here,
Right.
not coming over towards the plate that you're cutting up for me.
So look, oh my God, I should have done like pulled beef sandwiches. Oh my God, this looks good. But again, JT's going to be the taste tester. Miranda's like, I don't think she's a, are you a beef eater?
Not really.
No?
A little non-beef eater, you.
That's all right, that leaves more for everyone else. Okay, I'm going to find the perfect spot. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, this would be the pull. This would be good for sandwiches, I think. Uh-oh. Here it is. This is the perfect spot.
Well, aren't you going to give him a plate?
No, not yet. No, this is taste test.
Huh?
No, this is taste test. This is how it's done. In the backwoods.
Is it
Okay,
how it's
nobody's
done?
licked this. Oh, there you go.
Let the boys be boys.
Uh-huh.
Mom,
I'll
are
put
you-
my
are
knife
you zooming
away.
in on this?
Wait a minute.
And wait a minute, just a reminder. This is you guys' beef that I took out of the freezer because nobody else is eating this shit. So, somebody's got to cook it. Citrus marinade, are you feeling it in there? Plus the smoke, applewood, a little mesquite.
This is very good.
Let me put the
This
knife
is
away.
very, very good.
Let me put the knife away.
So good that I think, guys, you need to smash the subscribe and like button for this. If you do, Psycho Dad's gonna send you a little piece of raw meat in the mail.
Oh my God, raw meat. There's nothing like it. There isn't a damn piece of raw meat in this thing.
But you have to pay for your own postage.
Right. Yeah, we're not putting up with that shit.
Yeah, sorry.
So,
The economy's taking a downturn.
nice. I like that. So, either way, have a good day and a great life. Peace out.